It's evident by the design of this watch that can suit a variety of needs. Whether you want to monitor your heart rate continuously for 24 hours, measure your skin or body temperature, keep track of your steps, sleep quality, walking distance and calories burned, this watch will have your back. Furthermore, weather display, breathing white, metronome, message notifications and multi-sport mode such as run, walk, cycling, fitness will make your life much easier. It's also IP68 waterproof rating, which means you can even take it for a swim. Elegant looking BlitzWolf got a rectangular shape similar to outgoing BB HL1, but HL1T is much lighter, measuring 42 to 35 mm and weighing only 35 grams. The body is slim and light, while the strap is removable. Regarding the display screen, the new fitness tracker has 1.3-inch TFT color touchscreen with 240 by 240 pixels. You can pair the smartwatch with an iPhone or any Android smartphone with a companion app called Heart. The app is very informative and simple, showing you all the detailed features. There you can adjust the smartwatch accordingly to your needs.